Today, we're diving into CSS comments, a simple yet powerful way to keep your code organized and easy to understand. So what exactly are comments? In CSS, comments are used to explain your code. They help you and anyone else understand and edit it more effectively. The best part, browsers completely ignore comments so they don't affect how your web page looks. To write a CSS comment, you start with a forward slash followed by a star and end it with a star followed by a forward slash. Now let's see this in action with some real code. Here's an example of a single line comment. But that's not all. You can add comments anywhere in your code. Let's take a look at this example. You can even add comments in the middle of a line of code. Check this out. And if you need to write longer explanations, CSS also supports multi-line comments. And there you have it. Comments are an essential tool for keeping your CSS clean, organized, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next tutorial.